Welcome everyone. Now I'm going to discuss about tips for a smooth virtual data room software setup. Setting up a virtual data room video software can be a complex process, but with proper planning and execution, you can ensure a smooth transition. Here are some tips to help you set up a video software efficiently. Number one is define your objective. Clearly define the purpose of the video, understand what types of documents and data will be stored in shared within the video and what specific goals you want to achieve. Number two is select the right video provider. Choose a video provider that align with your needs and budget. Research and compare different options to find the one that offers the features and security measures necessary for your specific relevant criteria. Number four is user access control. Establish clear user access control. Determine who should have access to specific folders and documents and set up permissions accordingly. Different roles may require different levels of access. Number five is data encryption. Ensure that the video platform you choose provides strong encryption for data at rest and transit in. This is essential for data security. User training. Provide training and guideline for all users who will be interacting with the video. Ensure they understand how to upload, download and manage documents as well as how to use security features effectively. Number seven is data migration. If you are moving from a different system or traditional filing method, plan your data migration carefully. Ensure that all documents are correctly imported into the video without loss or errors. Number 8 is customization. Customize the video to match your organization's branding and workflow. This can help with user adoption and make the video more user friendly. Develop and enforce security policies related to document sharing and storage. This includes strong password requirements, two-factor authentication and other relevant security measures. Set up audit trails and reporting mechanism to monitor user activity within the video. This ensures the transparency and helps with compliance. And implement a robust backup and disaster recovery plan for your video. So I hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy this, please stay with us and press the bell icon for our next update.